Today's project is attempting to repair this adorable little dog here. We got this guy from China, and we can't just really go to the store and get another one. Yeah, as you can see, his leg broke off, and this guy moves around, so this is a moving part, and it's actually got forces being applied to it. So this is going to be a real tough repair, considering that the place it broke is that tiny little circle there. So that has to be able to move, and it has to be able to connect to the leg in a strong enough fashion that it can support the weight of this dog and allow him to move around. So I don't know if we're going to be able to make this work, but we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. I've been hearing really good things lately about the Gorilla brand super glue. Now, this is not the same thing as the original polyurethane Gorilla Glue, which wouldn't really be appropriate for this application. The original Gorilla Glue is great for bigger projects, but it expands, and for this application we need something real precise. And so we're going to give the Gorilla Glue Super Glue a shot. Basically, it's the same as the crazy glue we've known for a long time. It's a cyanoacrylate, but somehow it's rubberized or something to make it stronger and more impact resistant, because that's always been the problem with cyanoacrylate. Let's read the directions here. Protect work area from spills. Okay, I think we got that covered. Clean and dry surfaces to be bonded. Yeah, it's a fresh break, so that's no problem. Apply a small amount of Gorilla Super Glue to one surface. Only 1 drop per square inch recommended. Set time can vary. Blah, 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 blah. Excess glue can cause delay or failed bond. Okay. Press the two surfaces together for about 10 to 30 seconds. Wait 24 hours for full cure. And then after using clean nozzle with a dry cloth and replace outer cap, store in cool, dry place. Now there's a little asterisk. It says not recommended for use on polyethylene or polypropylene plastic. But it is, according to the front here, it's supposed to bond plastic. So polyethylene, polypropylene, those are more of the soft, durable plastics, like they make car parts out of, or soda bottles, or a milk jug. This is more of a, I'm not sure what kind of plastic this is, but this is more of a brittle type of plastic. This one, it should be able to work on this. So I'm going to use this skewer here to give me a little bit of precision to apply that glue. This Gorilla Glue, it's got a real fine little tip there. So I mean, that should be good for most applications, but for this I'm going to need something even finer, I think. So I'm going to use the little bamboo skewer. And we'll see what happens. So wish me luck. Gotta figure out how to line this up first. I want to line it up the exact same way that it broke. You can see here, this is it's actually even pulling out a little bit here. Might not be perfect. This is a gel formula, they say, this glue here, so it should make it a little bit easier to apply. It's not going to run all over the place like you would normally expect. It says to apply it to one surface, so that's what we're doing here. Just applying to the leg. And we're going to see what that does. Alrighty. I gotta put that in there. Get that in there. I think that's where we want it to be, and then it says hold it like this for 10 to 30 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 28 Mississippi, 29 Mississippi, 30 Mississippi. Okay. Now it says to give it 24 hours for a full cure, so I'm not going to put any force on this. I'm just going to let go as gently as I can, and I'm just going to let it sit and see if it can form a bond there. And we'll check on it tomorrow. So here we are the next day. The leg seems to be attached. So far, so good. I'm just gonna pull on it very gently here. Yeah, it seems to be on there. I can wiggle it a little bit. Let's see what happens. I've got the remote control here.
你好，我是新听加工成员风混，来自于。
All right, look at that. Nice.